Can you hear me now? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is just a bit of a spontaneous one. It's just a quick one. So it's a quick hair hack that I've figured out. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever my hair is like too defined or too like in its shrunken state, like after a wash and go, when it's like day 1, day 2 where your hair is just out there, and whenever I try to do a messy bun or an Afro puff, it's just too big, like it's just too out there and it just looks like massive on my head. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick hack on how you can achieve a cute bun with like a smaller messy Afro puff, if you get what I mean. But yeah, just keep watching and I'll talk you through it. So you will need 2 scrunchies, a gel, a hard brush. So I start off by sectioning my hair into 2, so front and back. I make sure that the back section is bigger than the front section of the front bit. Okay, so we're working with the back section. What you do is go in with your gel on your hands like this and then just smoothing the back upwards or into the direction that you want your puff to be. Then you take your hard brush and you just brush it in the same direction. Make it into a mini bun if possible. If not, just try and tuck as much hair as you can into the scrunchie, like so. Then you go in with some more gel at the front, but this time in the opposite direction. So backwards towards the other one. Brush backwards towards the other one. Then you take your other scrunchie. Do it as tight as you like. I like mine quite tight, so. And then tuck hairs into that scrunchie. Yeah guys, that's it. So that's how I achieve my mini high bun when my hair is just really up. So thank you for watching this video guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.
I wanna know you'll be there when it's on. Here when it gets colder.